no, you want to expose me. Sana.
It's funny. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Boniswa and I do all things natural hair, and if that's your thing, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button down below to be part of the family. Now guys, I know I've been MIA for a while now, but
you know where you been. People been waiting.
I know, right? But yeah guys, I'm back now and I have a special guest today guys, and I'll let her introduce herself.
Clack it. Hi guys, Nono here. Very nice to be here with you guys. You know, I've been waiting to be featured in one of the videos. I'm so happy and I'm so glad.
I'm glad
that I'm here. You know, I'm saying like, you know, this means a lot to me and like it means the world. I'm so
Please stay tuned and let's jump straight into today's video.
Let's get it, clock it, do this girl, clock it, period.
So before I show you an update on how her hair is doing today, I just want to first do a quick recap just to refresh you guys' minds on where we left off with her hair journey. As you know guys, she suffers from Trichotillomania, which is when you can't help but pull your hair out. It's something that she can't help doing. She just does it from time to time, but she has been very disciplined and her hair is definitely growing back, and her bald spots are completely covered now, as you'll see in her progress photos.
As you know, I have this problem just pulling out my hair when I'm stressed. You know, it's just a lot going on, but I've been trying to help myself and braid myself, even though I can't really. I'm not really perfect, but I do that so that I don't break my hair. So I asked my sister, because she has patience, to come do my hair and help me out with detangling. And I've been using Shema Hair products, guys, right here. I've been using those products, so it really helped me a lot with my. I've really had bad hair. You could see through my afro. You know, I don't know what's happening.
The hair products and watches, and you'll see yourself. So yeah, a lot of you guys are asking if I'm using products.
You'll see. My hair is not as big as hers.
Okay, I've been trying to grow my hair. She cuts her hair while I was still trying to grow mine, and then her hair grew even longer than mine.
But it's come a long way. Like her hair will, like she had bald
spots at the top of her hair. Her hair has come a long way. I believe this is where we last left off in the last update to my other video, and as you can see guys, her hair has grown out quite a bit and her bald spots are completely covered, and you can tell by her smile and excitement that, you know, her confidence was back, and yeah, no, she's definitely on the road to recovery. Hair thinning and brittle strands are a thing of the past, and that's if she continues to maintain healthy hair habits. But in Nona's case, there are two major factors, which are the Trichotillomania, which created thinning areas and uneven growth, and of course bald spots. And along with that is her iron deficiency, with low iron levels, which reduce oxygen delivery to the hair follicles, weakening the strands from the roots. And this leads to brittleness and shedding and slow regrowth. So we knew that it wasn't going to be solved overnight and required patience and gentleness and consistency above all things. So the first thing we did was simplify everything. No complicated routines, no excessive manipulation. We focused on three things basically: scalp care, moisture retention, and low manipulation style. Here's what we implemented in her hair care routine. So healthy hair starts at the roots. So we consistently massaged her scalp using the Shema Hair Luxury oil to stimulate blood circulation and nourish weakened follicles. Scalp massages also help redirect the urge to pull replacing it with something soothing and healthy. Next is moisture and strength balance. Because of her iron deficiency, which made her hair brittle, we focused on strengthening without causing stiffness. So we used the Shema Hair conditioner and shampoo, which have biotin, which helps strengthen the hair, strengthen and reinforce the strands while maintaining softness. So no over protein, no harsh treatments, just balance. We also used the Shema moisturizing hair cream that also has biotin as an ingredient. Next, we also did low manipulation hairstyles, and this was a game changer. We had to make sure that her hair was in some sort of protective style tucked away to reduce the urge of her touching her hair. So we did either 2-strand twists, but mostly it was a 3-strand braid, which help reduce daily handling and minimize breakage and allows consistent growth, because the less she touched her hair, the more it retained length.
Hey guys, so I went to go visit Nono the other day and I have an update for you guys. As some of you may know, when she started her Shema journey earlier this year, she had bald spots. And after a few weeks of using Shema products, as you can see, her hair started growing in a bit. And in a couple of months, her bald spots were completely covered. Now, this is the last time I shared an update with you guys. And in a second, you're about to see how long it is now. She's been so consistent with using only Shema products. So she's been using the full range on her hair and nothing else from start to finish. From the conditioners to the shampoos to the hair oil and the hair butter, that's all she's been using. And her hair has been living in twists. So basically, I came over to moisturize her hair. We basically spritzed a little water and added some of the Shema shea butter. Our hair butter is super nourishing and moisturizing. It contains 3 different butters and amazing oils. As I was doing her hair though, guys, I noticed at the top of her head on her crown that she is starting to pluck out her hair again. And as you guys know, guys, if you followed her journey on here, you'll know that she suffers from Trichotillomania, where she just can't help but pull her hair out. So this is what we'll be focusing on in the next couple of months, guys, to restore that hair and the breakage. Yeah, she'll be using Shema products as she did, as she's always done. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for today's update. Please place your order. We are available on Takealot. See you in the next one.
As you've just seen, guys, she's made huge progress with her hair growth, and these videos were taken about 3 months ago, so I can't wait to see what her hair is looking like now. So I'll keep you guys posted as soon as I go and see her again. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I have for today. So but if you're struggling with hair loss, whether from stress, trichotillomania, hormonal imbalance, or nutritional deficiency, know this: your hair can recover, your scalp can heal, and you are not alone. Nono's journey is proof that with patience, gentle care, and the right routine, restoration is possible. So if the story encouraged you, share it with someone who needs hope today. So remember, healthy hair starts with healthy habits. Until the next one, guys, goodbye.